Sorry to say that you guys will not be going on to the next round and that the journey for this competition ends here. Thank you, guys. So Oscar and Mura, I'm afraid this is going to be the end of your journey on this competition. So sorry about that.
Okay, ladies, thank you so much. Somi, I'm sorry today is the end of your journey on Nigerian Idol. Constella, I'm sorry, this is where it ends for you.
God's own, unfortunately. We have to say goodbye. But thank you both for performing. We appreciate it. Thank you.
Okay, Ruby, I must apologize that this is the end of the road for you in this competition. So sorry. And I'm sorry you'll be going home today, dear. So sorry. Thank you.
Tonight, unfortunately, both of you have come to the end of your journey on Nigerian Idol.
Thank you.
Abimbola and Ben Phillips, unfortunately, today will be the end of the journey on this season of Nigerian Idol. Thank you.
Thank you.
I want to congratulate you for coming this far, but today is the end of the road for both of you. Thank you very much. Festus, Joshua, I have to tell you, today is the end of the road for you on Nigerian Idol. Thank you so much for coming.
Thank you, sir.
No problem. Today is the last day on the show. Thank you.